Okay, so this video is going to show you how to complete the Pythagorean Theorem activity. I like this activity because it's really a great visual on how the Pythagorean Theorem came about and what it really means. And so this is going to go at this point in your notes in lesson 1.2, part 2, Pythagorean Theorem. And what you should find in your binder is you should find two sheets that look like this. So we have two that are blank, they're white. And we get to do some coloring, so this will be kind of fun. So what Pythagorean theorem is, if you remember, Pythagorean theorem is a squared plus b squared equals c squared. And what that means, this side right here is a, this side right here is b, this side right here is C. So we're going to do some coloring to give us a better visualization of what's actually going on here. So what I want you to do is pick out some colors. And I'm going to pick out blue and red. So we're going to color the A squares right here. We're going to color it one color, and it doesn't have to be perfect. Now we're going to color these B squares down here. Again, it doesn't have to be perfect. We're going to end up cutting them out. Okay, so now that we've colored our squares, let's figure out how many units are in each square. So right here in my A square, I have 9 units. I have 3 times 3. So this is going to be 9 units squared, right? Here in my B square, I'm going to have 16 units, 4 times 4. So this is 16 units squared. And what we're going to do now, we're just going to go ahead and cut these out. We're going to use them on the other sheet of paper. Okay, so now that we've cut these out, go ahead and throw that away. Now we're going to need this sheet of paper right here, our second one. So now we can just lay these here. What we're going to end up doing is taping these on here in just a moment. But first, I want to talk about this square up here. So this square up here, what I want to do is I want to take 9 of my squares up here and I want to color them the same color as my 9. So since I chose red, I'm going to color in 9 squares that are red. You need to be a little more careful when you color this one in because we won't be cutting it out. And again, we can label this 9 units squared. And then if we count, we have 16 units left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. And we want to color these in blue. And then what we want to do, if we take this right here and we cut this out, we should have cut this out a few minutes ago, and we count the number of units in here, we'll find that we have 25 units squared. And 9 plus 16 equals 25. So this right here is 25 units squared. So now we're going to cut this out. We'll take this and we'll glue this on here, right here in our notebook. And then we need to label our different parts. Of course, right here, we have our right angle. This is A, this is side B, and this is side C. And again, the Pythagorean theorem, A squared plus B squared equals C squared. So a lot of people don't understand that the A or the squared part actually comes from the length of the squares. And then what we're going to do is we're going to take some tape and we'll just tape right here. We'll tape this right here. And we'll tape this right here, and we'll have a nice visualization of what Pythagorean theorem actually means.